everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to go for Panchayati Raj, of course, part 2. If you have not already watched part 1, then you can click the I button which will appear on your mobile/device, and you can click on it and watch the part 1 of Panchayati Raj. And if you just wanted to watch part 2, then let's get started. So Gram Sabha, I have written some statements, completely random statements. So it is not on the topic. It is in the middle of a topic or in the middle of a chapter. So Gram Sabha has a secretary appointed by the government. So it has a secretary appointed by the government. So secretary is type of a heads senior. It's a heads senior. What does the Gram Sabha discuss about? That is what we will learn over here. Let us go. Yes. Now let's know what do they discuss about the Gram Panchayat. They discuss about social issues. They discuss about social issues. Social issues. BPL benefits. So BPL means below poverty line. Poverty line, okay. So BPL people actually benefit. Water problem, we all know villages have water problem. Track of misuse of money. Misuse means wrong use. Misuse, misuse. Wrong use. So it means wrong use. So it tracks the misuse of the money. Where do they get all the funds to work upon those things? They get it through collection of taxes on houses, marketplaces, etc. Government schemes for Janpad and Zilla Panchayat. Donation for community works. Okay, so we also, as a citizen, we also donate for certain things. So that is what helps them actually. Let's know about the three tier. Let's know about the three tier system of panchayats. Let's go from smallest to highest. Smallest to highest. Gaon Panchayat is the village level panchayat. They are answerable to the Anchalik Panchayat. Why are they answerable and what do you mean by answerable? So they have to tell what they are doing. They have to defend their decisions and tell the reasons behind their decisions. They cannot take action on anything without even thinking what is it for, without even mentioning that what is it for. So that is what do you mean by answerable here. So why are the Gaon Panchayats answerable? Because we are in a democratic government. If you have watched my types of government, then you need to know. So democratic government, in a democratic government, I'll give you a short summary that government has to answer people, defend their actions and decisions, and tell the reasons behind them. So that is the reason of a democratic government. So India, follows the democratic government. That is why the Gram Panchayat is answerable. Anchalik Panchayat. Anchalik Panchayat is the block level panchayat. It looks upon the village level panchayat. It is answerable to the Zilla Parishad. Let me just tell you. So block level, for example, this is the district. This is the district that I talked about before, Palam, in my previous video, part 1, Palam. So Palam has some districts. sorry, not districts, I'm sorry, some block level blocks. Okay, so one of these blocks has 5 villages. So all one of these 5 villages will have one of the Anchalik Panchayat. So not one of these. To control one block, we have one Anchalik Panchayat which controls all the gaon level panchayat or the village level panchayat. So if this block has 5 village level panchayats, then the block level panchayat which is there will look after all the 5 of the village level or the gaon panchayat. So it was there that it is answerable to the Zilla Parishad. So who is Zilla Parishad? We know about that, and I have also explained why is it answerable. What do you mean by answerable? Zilla Parishad, the district level. Okay, so it looks upon the block level panchayats, all of the block level panchayats. It is the district level panchayat. We also call the block level panchayat panchayat samiti. Panchayat samiti. So I'm going to just write P for panchayat and samiti. So there can be another name for this. If your teacher or your educator has mentioned this, then you have to write it, or the questions can come on the base of this. That what is the second name of the block level panchayat? Anchalik Panchayat. So what did we just learn? We learned that Gram Sabha has a secretary appointed by the government. What does the Gram Panchayat discuss about? What does it work on? I mean, how do they get funds? What is the system? What do you mean by three-tier system? What is the three-tier system? If you have any doubts or something regarding this chapter, you can give your doubts in the comments and give your suggestions also in the comments. And you can ask your questions also in Ask Questions from learntogether@gmail.com, all in small case. And I have opened an Instagram account which is learn underscore together 70 without a space, and there will be video updates all over there. Okay, so there are going to be interesting questions also sometimes in the stories. Okay, so there are going to be questions and stories and posts, everything. I would be quite interactive there, and I hope you liked the video. If you did, then make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring that bell, and of course like the video if you wanted to. Till then, take care and bye bye. We are going to also have some more videos, interesting and very good and informative videos ahead. So make sure to give your support to my channel. Until then, take care and bye bye.